Good morning and welcome to the KTLA 5 Morning News at 11 a.m. I'm Glenn Walker.
And I'm Lou Parker. Thanks for joining us. The conviction against former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps has been overturned, with the state appeals court ordering a new trial.
Now, this comes more than 3 years after Heaps was convicted of sexually abusing patients. KTLA 5's Lauren Lister live in the newsroom with details on what sparked these new developments. Lauren.
Yeah, Lou and Glenn, the 69-year-old has been behind bars on charges involving 2 patients he was convicted of abusing. That conviction now overturned, and we're getting reaction from those who represented hundreds of Heaps accusers. Former UCLA gynecologist James Heaps, found guilty of sexually abusing female patients, now getting a new trial. Seen here in footage from a previous court hearing, the 2022 conviction that landed Heaps behind bars with an 11-year sentence now overturned. A California appeals court ruling Monday that Heaps was denied a fair trial because his defense attorney was not made aware of a note from the jury foreperson at the time. The note describing collective concern from jurors that one juror did not speak English sufficiently to deliberate and had already made up his mind. The 3-justice panel finding the trial court's handling of the note deprived Heaps of his constitutional right to counsel at a critical stage of his trial.
This is a brutal reminder that a procedural misstep in a criminal trial can truly have devastating consequences.
An attorney who represented over 200 former Heaps patients in a lawsuit that was settled with UCLA, saying this conviction reversal is a blow to these accusers.
It's a harsh reality that in our criminal justice system, the road to justice for many survivors of sexual abuse can be extremely difficult.
Now, I also spoke to the attorney who represented Heaps in his original trial. I spoke with him on the phone. He said he believes Heaps will ultimately be exonerated, and there are some procedural next steps over the next 30 days. But in terms of what we could see, he says it is possible that we could see Heaps released on bail. More from him coming up, as well as legal analysis from Allison Treasel. But for now, that's the latest live in the newsroom. Lou, back to you.